The school districts now praising that ruling say that they will help all schools get the money that they need. We have team coverage of this tonight, live coverage at least. 41 Action News reporter Ariel Rothfield live in KCK right now at one of the schools that could benefit from today's ruling. Ariel.
Well, Mike, this is the court ruling. Take a look. In 80 pages, the Kansas Supreme Court ruled current funding for public schools is unconstitutional and say a new formula could help schools like here at Frank Rushton Elementary.
A momentous decision, 80 pages long. The Kansas Supreme Court ruling lawmakers left poor school districts $54 million short.
This is going to make our work easier and allow us to do more and be more successful.
The decision gives lawmakers until the end of June to write a new law that's constitutional, or schools in Kansas will not be open in the fall.
When my kids were little, I used to give them a last chance, and then if they kept misbehaving, I gave them a last chance, and I think that's where we are here.
For years, lawmakers and the courts have clashed over education funding in Kansas. Last year, the High Court ordered lawmakers to fix unequal funding among school districts. So the legislature replaced the old finance formula with block grants, effectively awarding less money to lower income districts like KCK.
The value of the property in Kansas City, Kansas, as compared to some of our neighbors, is relatively on the lower end.
District spokesperson David Smith says KCK was forced to cut programs, shed jobs, and freeze raises. The district, he says, put in an unfair advantage because of less funds.
We would get young teachers, train them well, get them ready, and then they'd move to another district and make a lot more money.
Now, this is not over. The Supreme Court still needs to rule on the bigger question: how much does the state of Kansas need to spend on public education? They're expected to take that up sometime this year. Reporting live in Kansas City, Kansas, Ariel Rothfield, 41 Action News.